I think your truth is something special. There's no one like you around.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, also known as K Clark, and as you can tell by my background, this will be another try on haul. This one is not going to be any specific brand. This is going to be what I have this year as far as nudes and earth tone colors. This is what I'm wearing. This is what I bought. This is what you will see me in if you see me in one of the nude looks, okay? So we're gonna start off with this outfit that I have on now, because I'm not about to change my clothes for no reason. So we're gonna get right into this video. Before we do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump into this video. So the first look I have here is just a little cardigan sweater. This is from Zara. It is an oversized little throw sweater. I don't even know what to call this, but it is in the color cream. And I paired it with just a blue pair of jeans. As you see, plain pair of jeans. You can wear any kind of jeans you want. And I went ahead and paired it with a bodysuit. So I'm not really color blocking per se, but as you see, they're not the same colors, but they are all naturals. Just like everything you see here, it's a natural, a neutral color. Okay, so it's easy to pair with other neutral pieces. Okay, so I put just a simple bodysuit, and it's see-through. This is real cute, real sexy. Date night, I think this is perfect for. I know that it's Corona right now, so we can't really do too much, but this is definitely a really cute outfit. And I got this top from a place called, no, I'm lying. I got this top from Fashion Over. I got these pants from American Eagle, and like I said before, this top is from Zara. Okay guys, so now we have this really cute off the shoulder. It's almost like a sweater look, but it's not really a sweater. It has buttons from the top all the way down. It's really cute. It's form fitted. It's really like a really cute dress. It's like a little sweater dress. So this I like. I do. I think this is still cute. Okay guys, so now I have a real sweater outfit. It is a sweater top. Let you guys see the detail, the fuzzies, with a matching bottom set. Okay, this is really cute, like really cute. It's obviously way too cold for me to wear it here in New York, but when I take a quick trip to Miami, to Cali, out of the country, this is perfect, especially for nighttime. If I want to go to like a restaurant or something and I don't want to do too much, this with like a nice little earring and a nice simple a nice simple flip-flop, perfect. Yeah, this is from Fashion Nova. It came as a set. Also, the dress I had on right before this is also from Fashion Nova. Okay, so now I have this two-piece set. It is a sweater set. It looks like it's a cardigan. I guess you could say a cardigan sweater on the top, and just a pair of high-waisted shorts to match, same print. I think this is a really cute outfit as well, like very comfortable. I had this on in one of my trial hauls probably like last month. I have not gotten a chance to wear it yet, but this is like a really cute outfit. If I'm entertaining at home right now, this is something that I would wear. Wait, before I say that, let me pull it out my butt. This is something that I would wear because it does cover, it's cute, it's comfortable, it's beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. I really like this. When I seen it on the website, I had to have it. Didn't know where I was wearing it to, but I had to have this outfit. Yeah, I know the struggle of putting on some jeans, okay? Okay, so this is like a really cute top. Do you see how broad the shoulders are? It's like a little shoulder pad in there that gives it this structure. It's open a little bit down here on both sides, which I think is really cute and flattering. It's really wrinkled right now, so don't mind that, but it's really cute. I paired it with a pair of jeans today just so you can see what it looks like. It looks like this. It has a single seam down the back. But it's a really beautiful shirt. It feels like it's cashmere, but I'm pretty sure it's not because I only got it for $19.90 from Zara. I got it in 2 colors actually. I got it in this and a gray. But for this video, I'm only showing you guys this one, okay? Let me show you guys what it looks like tucked in. Give you guys another look at it. If I had a cute belt, this would look really nice. Or even if I wore this with like a skater skirt or a pencil skirt, this would be really, really cute. Possibly pair it with the lighter tone jacket, but a real simple shoe, pair of jeans, this shirt, and a jacket. Okay guys, so since I had these jeans on, I just went ahead and changed my top. I put on a different top. It is a cowl neck crop sweater. Cowl neck crop sweater. It's so cute. I also have this in 2 colors. I have it in this cream, and I also purchased it in a black. It's really, really cute with a high waist pants. It's so wonderful. This top I got from, where did I get this from? I got it from Forever 21. I think it was about $20 as well. Actually, the tag is still on it. Let's see how much this was. $19.99. Okay, $19.99. So I personally would opt for the darker tone because this looks bomb. Yeah, I would definitely opt for the camel color with this look because I think it just looks really nice. Okay guys, so now I have on this outfit. First of all, excuse me for holding my hand here. I forgot to put on a bra or nipple pasties and I never wear them, so I wasn't thinking about it when I started this video. So yeah, the girls are out. My boyfriend is not having it, so I cannot put my hands out, but that's okay because I'm going to put a jacket on in just a second. I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like first. This is a cream turtleneck bodysuit. So it has like a little mock neck. Yeah, a mock neck. It's not a turtleneck. I have a mock neck. And it's long sleeve. And I paired it with a pair of, I wouldn't call it oversized sweatpants, but I did get it a little bit bigger than what I normally would get it, so it has like a little bit of space in there because I didn't want them to be super tight for a girl's sweat. But you know what, honestly, it is my size, so I can't even say I got it a little bit bigger. But this is a size medium, this is a size medium as well. You would never believe this bodysuit cost me $9.95 from H&M. These pants are also from H&M. They were $19.99. This outfit together cost me $30. It's real comfortable. If you know me, you know I like comfortable, relaxed outfits. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the last outfit that I have for you guys, and it's, yes, another comfortable outfit because I like to be comfortable. Okay guys, I am back with the last outfit. As you can see, it is another comfortable outfit. This is a sweatsuit, I guess you can say. It's a knit sweatsuit. Again, pardon me, no bra. I have to start putting on bras with these hauls because I feel like I'm being very disrespectful to you guys, so my apologies. I'm gonna remember to put on a bra for next time. But this is what it looks like. It's very comfortable. This is from Fashion Nova. It wasn't too expensive. It came as a set. I think it was about $40, $50 for the set. But I think it's really, really cute. And I am very happy that I got it. This is something that I would throw on with like a white sneaker. I like that it's like, hold on. It's like tight around the ankle. It's not super tight, but it's tight enough that you can put it on with the sneaker and it'll be really, really cute. Thank you guys for tuning in today for my neutral fall winter try on haul. I had a couple of pieces here that are perfect for every day, perfect for vacation, perfect for travel, or even if you just want to stay in the house. Okay, a lot of these pieces are really cozy and cute. I also paired each item with this one simple detail, which were these hoop earrings. So even something as simple as this little sweatsuit that I have on, I dress it up just a little bit with this earring, and now I'm cute to go to any function that I want to go to, or just spruce up the room wherever I go, whether it's shopping, whether it's to a friend's house. So thank you guys for tuning into this channel, my channel. I don't know why I said this channel. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today, and I will see you guys next time.